as I fill this empty glass here with punch, I have to stop and think, why do they call it punch? I don't know why they call it punch. I mean, I never really think about it. Everybody's like, I want to get some fruit punch. Well, I don't know why they call it fruit punch. I mean, it's not like it gives you a punch in the face. Well, I tell you what, yeah, I don't want a punch in the face with that. I mean, seriously, no. That would be good to get a punch in the face with that kind of wound on my face. Well, I think we need to go in there and Google that for a minute and see what it says. Yeah, fruit punch is good stuff. Yeah, let's come in here and see what they call a punch. That's a disaster in this room. Tell you what, we get the collection shirts still there. Let's come in here and find out why they call it punch. Brian doing brick stuff. Come on, turn that thing on. See why they call it punch. Just sit here for a minute. You know, if it takes you longer than 30 seconds to get in there, your computer's not working right. So, let's see. Come on. Okay. So here you go. The word punch is a loan word from Sanskrit. What the heck is that? Meaning 5. The drink was originally made with 5 ingredients: alcohol, sugar, lemon, water, and tea, or spices. September 20th is Natural Rum Punch Day. The term punch was first recorded in British during 1632. I tell you, as I pour this empty glass full punch, I shouldn't in the first place.